Okay, what's up, everybody? Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions, talking about the lender division of our company today. We're talking about first deal with us for new borrowers, not if you're a new borrower, but a new borrower to us and or a new borrower. And we've gone through the process so far. Application process. First deal, bring us a purchase and sale agreement after we've given you your proof of funds letter. You bring us a P&S, then you tell us what we need to see for us to give you a term sheet to analyze the deal, purchase price, renovation amount, ARV. We went into detail on those before. Then we present to you a term sheet. You sign the term sheet. We engage our attorney. They do all the title with the seller's attorney, make sure that the deal is good to go. We then close the loan. We get it boarded or set up with our nationally recognized servicing company so that they take care of the accounting, the servicing. They send you the monthly interest-only statements. Now, what if there's a renovation component to the deal? Let's talk about your renovation draws, right? So many of the deals that we do have a renovation draw component, and how we do renovation draws we think is very, very easy for the borrower. We use, again, a nationally recognized renovation company, and they have an awesome, easy to use online portal. So essentially all you need to do as my borrower is send me a text or an email. Hey, Chris, I'm looking for renovation draw number 1234. We already have filled out with you before you close a renovation summary. So you can fill it out online. You can fill it out in DocuSign it to us. You can email it to us. Very, very easy. But when you do, you're looking for draw 1234. In the draw, you tell us, I'm looking for 5,000 in plumbing, 5,000 in electrical, 5,000 in, kitchens and baths, whatever that is, right? You send that to us. We then engage our nationally recognized draw company. Within 24 hours, they reach out to you and they schedule an on-site inspection. Then they come out, do their inspection. Within 24 hours, they give me the report, right? Me and my wife, Caitlin, the report. Then my wife and I review the report, make sure we agree with it, yada, yada, yada. Some instances, they might want to give you less than you asked for, and we can kind of overrule that and bump that back up if we see fit. And then within 24 hours, we're wiring your cash out to you. So the whole transaction of a rental draw with Flip and Hold, and this is huge, takes like 3 days. There's other lenders out there that they take a week, 2 weeks, I've heard. So not all lenders are created equal. Not all rental draws are created equal. That's a great differentiating point between us and a lot of our competitors out there. That's the rental draw portion. Let's hold on, and I'll be right back to discuss the last step, which is paying us off.